My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Fisakalzb. Fisakalzb is the name of this ransomware. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not promoting this ransomware and I am not related to this ransomware. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So the ransomware encrypts files and it adds this special extension to them. The extension is called exactly like the name of this ransomware, Fisakalzb. The ransomware tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. There is no guarantee that you would get your data restored if you pay the ransom. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable security program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner Antivirus on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page through your available browser, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install it and click on Start Scan button. Most likely this software should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So then at the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were found on the system. You will also be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer. And based on that summary of threats, some infections can definitely be removed manually, but I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner, since this is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.